Check that out, guys. It is so awesome. Look at that from the projector. Welcome back, guys, to another review. So today we are reviewing a miniature HD projector. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we get for different scenes, Christmas events, for business and company use. So on the back you have a power button, you got a headphone port, a USB port, an HDMI port. On the top you have your focus button. Let's go ahead and pull out, show you guys what else you get. Alright, so inside the box we got our power cable, as well as the other end of the power cable. You get a nice little remote to control it. And let's see what else. Alright, let's go ahead and set up the projector. Go ahead and plug in the power right here. Now as we can see, the light came on. Alright, you go ahead and power it on, and then you would change the focus to whatever looks the best. Alright, as you guys can see, we are now loading our computer. So this is pretty awesome. So once the computer loads, we can do different stuff on here, which is very awesome. So there you go. We got our window screen up. It's a lot clearer in person than what you guys see. We're going to still play with this and mess around with it. But as you guys can see, we absolutely love it. Check that out, guys. It is so awesome. Look at that from the projector. It looks like, now imagine if it was nighttime, it would look 100 times better. Looks like I'd be looking out through the window. Overall, an amazing projector.